Alright, we're going to do a quick mattress cleaning with the, it's a Rug Doctor Mighty Pro, which is basically the same thing as the X3, the current model. And we've got a dark colored mattress here that's already been pre-sprayed. We pre-sprayed it with Fabuloso, which is a neutral pH of 7.0. And it's not a really dirty mattress, but it's just needing a routine cleaning, so we're going to do that real quick. And there's some dirty water in there left over from, we just cleaned another piece of furniture a few minutes ago and we didn't bother to empty the tank. So we'll see if we could get any dirt out of this mattress. Here we go. Alright, now the mattress is back so you can't see the detail to it, but let's see the water anyway. The proof is always in the water.
So there's the water. It's not dark brown. It's not black as coffee, but it's definitely dark brown. It's kind of dirty, so we're gonna dump it before we do. So I'll leave the tank off. But anyway,
oh, when you get done using these, you always want to take the tool and go find some clean water, like in a sink,
like a bucket.
running water.
Put it in a clean bucket and just suck the hose.
Yeah,
clean.
just run water through. You want to clean all this junk out and get the hose and everything as clean as you can. You don't want to leave dirty water in the hose.
Which we're going to do here in a second.
So you run a good volume of water through. And now if you want to empty the rest of the water out of the machine, if you didn't use all the water up, you can use the hand tool and spray it.
Right down your kitchen sink.
Yeah. But it takes a little while to do it because it doesn't pump water out super fast, but you can do it that way.
It'll take it out.
Or if you want to run the machine out on a back patio or put it in a shower, you can just turn it, just unhook the connection there and put it on upholstery setting without having the connection. Connect it that way, connect it back to the main motor, and the motor will pump the water out through the jets on the bottom, and it's a little bit faster.
Let's bring it in here.
But we're setting this machine up basically to use for upholstery cleaning only. And so we're going to leave it as a dedicated upholstery machine because we've got other rug doctors.
Here's what you do to clean your hose. Let's just show it real quick because people will want to see it. Just run some water. Don't matter if it's hot or cold. Oh, turn the machine on. And then you got your vacuum motor. Just to clean your hose out. Show how much water comes through the thing. Does it look clean?
Yeah, go. As soon as that screen is first, all cleaned out. When you do, when the window's clean, it's clean.
You can put that off. Turn it off. So when you do this, and you see that your window in the rug docker, your view screen is putting clean water through, you've cleaned your hose out.
Just check the front of the tool, and when the front of the tool is clear and you don't have any stains in it, you're all right, and he's bleeding off the extra PSI. And make sure you clean your screen. When you're doing upholstery, using the upholstery tool, you're going to get more backsplash up into the screen area. And so you want to make sure and clean the screen more frequently than you do when you're doing carpets because the way the water's coming in, it's more direct. And make sure you clean your tank real good and put everything away clean so it doesn't develop a funk.
Oh, if you want to do this for yourself, go to our Amazon influencer store. The description, well, it'll be in the video description, the link to the videos to the Amazon store. And you can clean mattresses, couches. We even clean, like every now and then we'll bring in our rug at the front door. Because those are too light to run over with the, our, what do they call them?
Just with the regular.
A regular rug people scrape their feet on for the coming house. They're too light to clean with an extractor, so we just clean them with this hose. Just put them on a table and clean them, and it cleans them right up. So. Oh,
and then we did spray this down with Fabuloso, I think I mentioned. But if you use something neutral, then if you do have some, if you don't get 100% of it out, because sometimes a mattress will soak things up before you can get to it with an extractor, it's not going to be anything that's going to have any kind of stickiness to it. And it's not going to make the things get dirty again so quickly. So a neutral cleaner, if you can get away with it, is better than something with a higher pH, even though the higher pH cleans faster. Well, anyway, check our video description for more information on the things in the video. And that's all for now. Thanks for watching.